Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 14th, 2024. I hope everybody had a great Sunday out there. So, hope everybody had a great Sunday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because that's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Monday and Tuesday. Also, the weather radar currently across the nations. Also, the current watches warning advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for your Monday, and also take a look at the 7-day rainfall totals as well across the lower 48. Alright, if you're a new viewer and have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button today and you're in. Also, like these videos, share these videos, and let's go get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got thunderstorms and showers from up here near Maine, also back through portions of southeast Canada, through the Great Lakes, back over to the Dakotas, back into Montana, to Idaho, all the way down into portions of Arizona, California region, also into New Mexico, and also Arizona, a bit in southwestern Texas, and again from the Gulf of Mexico to the Florida Keys, Florida region, also through the Carolinas, all the way back into portions of Connecticut, Rhode Island region as well, stretching into West Virginia, all also Minnesota. Also, we in the red slash there is some heavy flash flooding possible over northern Illinois, straight through northern Indiana, and also in the portion of Michigan. Otherwise, dry high pressure in charge in much of Mexico, portion of the central area from Texas over Gulf. All of this activity for your Monday, July 15th. As you can see, we got portions of New Brunswick, Maine, back into the Great Lakes region, over towards Michigan, the Indiana, Illinois, far south of the Carolinas, also down to Florida, Florida Keys, to the Gulf of Mexico, back to Louisiana, Mississippi. Also, we got near Missouri, to Kansas, to Colorado, to Montana, down to Arizona, New Mexico, and Utah region. A little pocket over here in portion of Montana. All of those activities for your Tuesday, July 16th. All right, here's the radar currently Utah region as well, Nevada, also more in southern Texas, all the way to Banks in North Carolina. Um, the yellow The rainfall totals, the heavy precipitation from up here in there around the Boston area back to New York, Illinois, back in the portion of Oklahoma, taken from Louisiana to the Carolinas, all the way out into the Atlantic coastal waters. So, well, let's see if we can get to the storm prediction center there. Alright, finally can you move? Alright, as you can see, we got some heat advisory for Maine down through Pennsylvania to eastern North Carolina, a little bit of eastern South Carolina. More heat advisory stretching from Florida to Louisiana, all the way to Texas, Oklahoma, back into Kansas, also Nebraska, and also in the portions of Colorado, same in portions of Iowa, Missouri. Illinois, also out northern Idaho, portion of Nevada, Utah, and also into port of Colorado, also into Wyoming, and also portions of Colorado, Nebraska, eastern Nebraska, and also southwestern Iowa. Severe thunderstorm watch has been posted for you guys in portion of Wisconsin, northern Illinois, also in portion of Iowa, same in through North Dakota and Montana. There were portion of areas of New Mexico. We got a few severe thunderstorm warnings going in Arizona. Also, we got one in portion of North Dakota. River flood warnings still continue for the river along the Missouri, also Iowa and Illinois border. Also a little bit in the eastern Texas, the Atlanta metro area, a little bit around the Charlotte area, Kentucky, Virginia, West Virginia. Also, we have some excessive heat warnings also in portion of Pennsylvania, also toward the Delaware along the Florida. All right, Chain Island got some high surf warnings there. Also some small craft advisory around here with some special weather statements there for your Monday. Okay, we made it. We got them from up here from portion Watertown, New York, all the way down to Washington, D.C., stretching all the way back to Grand Junction, Liberal, and Colby areas of Kansas, Cook, also toward Pierre, St. Rapid City, up toward Duluth, Marquette, We have a slight risk, and it has risk in portions of Iowa, back in the portion of Illinois. That's where the slight risk area is. Tornado probability for this area here. Also, we have a marginal risk also in portion around the Tulsa, Phoenix area as well. 2% risk for tornadoes in the green, 5% in the brown. Let's take a look at the damage and winds. All right, we got a significant area of severe weather. This pretty much includes constant region. Also, Fort Wayne, Devon, Aurora, and also Rockford, Illinois, Omaha, and Minneapolis, and also Toledo, and also the 5% include New York, Philadelphia, Phoenix, Detroit, and also Columbus, Ohio. For damage and wind, let's take a look at the low. Only have a 5% up here. Portions of La Crosse over towards Chicago and Minneapolis and Green Bay. You're in the 5-hour tail. Alright, stay well. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll kick you back in the next video. And like I said, make sure you subscribe if you have not. And have a wonderful, wonderful Sunday evening, folks. Take care.